What a good day. I need to transfer all that garbage to the edge of the town. What was that? Oh, my wheel! It punctured. I need someone help me. Oh, Harper. Why are you here? Don't you see? My wheel punctured. Help me, please. Okay, let's figure out something. Your garbage is too heavy. We need to split it. Hello, Peter. I have a job for you.
Peter, back up a little bit.
That's okay, I guess. X, be a little bit neater, please.
Okay, that's enough. Give it a try, Copperfield. Okay, X, I got you. Let's try now harder. A little bit careful, okay? You need to collect that garbage first, and then you can go.
Okay, I get you, Copperfield.
Why do other cars not notice me, but I'm yellow and really good car?
Hey, car, get out of my way. What type of cars nowadays?
Yo, that was painful, mister.
Oh, yes. And again. One more time. Oh, who's coming? Hey, dude, can you help me? Can you push a little bit?
Of course, sir. I really want to help you.
Can you push a little bit that I can start my engine? Okay, let's try. Push harder. Push it. No, you can't do that. You have no power.
Why I'm so weak?
Ho ho ho! Get out of my way, little cars!
Stop where you are. You are under arrest.
Oh no! He's gonna squash me! Monster truck is moving toward us.
Well. Oh! Master, you shall not pass. I am brave enough.
We should run.
Oh, we must run! Run!
You won't pass me.
Great job, Taxi Logan. You did really great job. You are a real hero of our city.
I'm so glad that I'm useful to our city.
What a wonderful day today.
Oh. Ah! What's happening, sir? Earthquake! Oh. Help! Help!
I'm on my way. I'm here, no panic.
The earth split. I can't move out.
Okay, what just happened there? Let's figure that out. Cooper, help us. I'm here. What's matter? Okay, no panic. I can draw out you.
Oh yes, that's great.
Let's see. How is it going? I'm sorry, that's difficult to me. I can handle it. I have idea. Hello, Haley, we need you.
Yes, that's awesome. No, helicopter can't help me.
No problem. I know who can help. Frank, please help us.
I'm here, no panic. Okay, what just happened there?
Yeah, it's nice. Okay, I can do it. I can. Thank you, Mr. Frank and Mr. Lucas.
We need to check your health. Hi guys, are you ready for a trip?
Yep. Hi, truck.
What a wonderful day.
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you very much.
What a wonderful day.
Thank you, goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Thank you, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.